Hey everyone, it's Friday afternoon and I decided to go off script for my weekly video today because of a trend I've noticed lately. So I don't know if you can see my screen here, I've got it up, but I've been getting an unusual number of calls from business owners looking for a trademark attorney. They're excited, telling me about their brilliant new business, a fresh product line, or a new service they're ready to launch. Then they tell me the name they want to protect. While they're talking, I always do something a little different than most attorneys. I pull up the official US trademark search system right then and there. Here, I've got it up tmsearch.uspto.gov/search. Come here. You can sign in if you have an account, but you don't even need to do that. Now, let me show you exactly what to do. I just jump onto the free search feature of the US Trademark Office database. Let's say a caller wants to register the name Jays. Okay, Jays. I'm just making this up. I have no connection to any Jays. I don't have clients or anything. Just thought that'd be a good one to use. Let's say it's for a line of suitcases. I type in the word Jays right here, and I start scrolling down. J's, Dr. J's, TJ's, 5J's. By the way, these dead marks, that means that they're no longer registered. They've been abandoned. They may have never registered. Those aren't a big concern to me. Doesn't mean it's all clear. There might be more to it, but that's for another video. I'm really looking for these live marks, and especially just on the phone. J's, look right there. J's, potato chips. Okay, that doesn't concern me for this outfit here in North Carolina. J's for hats, shirts. Again, dead doesn't really bother me. J's for clothing. Okay, starting to get a little closer, but still not a big deal. Toys and sporting goods. And look at that. Rogers Blue Jays baseball partnership owns both of these. And in fact, wow, here's another one. Entertainment services. They've got a lot of different marks here. Keep going. Here's another one for potato chips, electrical and scientific apparatus. And by the way, you can click on this to see the whole description here, but we're not going to read that right now. Again, that's for this Rogers Blue Jays baseball partnership. So they've got a lot of trademarks. Probably don't want to mess with them. They probably police their trademarks pretty well. Paper goods, jewelry, again, it's all the same company. And then, oops, this is one I've been looking for. So while I'm having this conversation with my client, I've just been scrolling through here, looking at these marks, and now I come to this one. Athletic bags, luggage, overnight bags, backpacks. The person I'm talking to just said that they wanted to use J's for suitcases. Here we go, overnight bags, luggage. This is going to be a deal killer. I'm going to have to stop the conversation right there because I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to waste your money. I've found exactly what you need to know right here. Like I say, here's full description, but I found that during our phone call. Here's the honest truth. Most law firms aren't going to do this for you on an initial call. Instead, they'll take your information, walk you through a lengthy presentation about the application process, how their law firm can help, and then they'll write up an agreement for a paid trademark clearance search. And that's great. That's normally what I would do if I didn't just find this. You're going to pay hundreds of dollars, wait a week or a couple weeks only for the attorney to find the exact same roadblock that I just found in 5 seconds while we were chatting. Don't get me wrong. As an attorney, I never give off the cuff legal advice. Making reckless decisions based on casual conversations is dangerous for your business. And everything I do needs to be grounded in solid analytical thinking. If there's a giant brick wall standing right in front of your brand on day one, I believe you have a right to know immediately. When you call my office, You work directly with me. My goal isn't to bill you for finding the obvious, it's to help you succeed. So when we hit a conflict like Jay's suitcases here, we pivot right away. We can save your money and shift the entire discussion toward how to actually select a strong trademark, one that's legally defensible and will truly serve as a powerful identifier for your brand in the marketplace. We're going to deep dive into how to choose those solid names next week, so make sure to hit subscribe. In the meantime, have a fantastic weekend. Protect your brand, and I'll talk to you next Friday.